this is the end for Noble 6. Messed up ending though, honestly. Cause in Halo Reach you die, your entire team dies,
It
and
didn't take
then
long for Reach to fall. Our
um,
enemy was ruthless, efficient. They weren't nearly fast enough. For you had already passed the torch. And because of you, we found Halo, unlocked its secrets, shattered our enemy's resolve. Our victory, your victory, was so close. I wish you could have lived to see it. But you belong to Reach. Your body, your armor, all burned and turned to glass. Everything. Except your courage. That you gave to us. And with it, we can rebuild.
you know what's messed up about it? The fact that I've heard a lot of people say that they wanted to bring Noble 6 back. For me, that would be awesome. Anywho, there we are, and guess that's all of Halo Reach. Honestly, I haven't really done the full. Anyway, this is my character fully leveling up as much as I can. Honestly, anywho, that is all, and I will see you all next time.